Hello, little yogis. I'm so happy you're here with me today. Remember to breathe, smile, and enjoy every moment. Today, we're going to stretch, balance, and feel strong, peaceful, and full of energy. Get your body ready, find your space, and take a nice, deep breath. Let's begin our yoga adventure together. Get on your mat or towel and get ready to begin. Tree pose. Stand on one leg. Place the other foot on your inner leg, not on your knee. Bring your hands together at your chest. Stay still and balance. Cow pose. Drop your belly down. Lift your chest gently. Look forward softly. Move slowly. Side plank. Turn to one side. Stack your feet. Lift your top arm up. Stay balanced. Downward dog. Place your hands on the floor, step your feet back, lift your hips up high, make your body like a triangle. Warrior 2. Step your feet wide apart. Bend your front knee. Stretch your arms out to the sides. Look over your front hand. Cobra pose. Lie on your belly. Place your hands under your shoulders. Press your hands down. Lift your chest up. Chair pose. Stand with your feet together. Bend your knees. Lift your arms up. Sit back like a chair. Candle pose. Stretch your legs up like a tall candle. Bow pose. Hold your feet. Let's make a bow shape. Boat pose. Lift your legs up, balance like a little boat. Locust pose. Lift your chest and legs. Be strong and long, like a flying dolphin. Butterfly pose. Bring your feet together. Hold them tight. Open your knees like butterfly wings. Meditation pose. Sit cross-legged. Keep your back straight. Place your hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Take slow breaths. Remember to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss our yoga time together. See you next time.